Fuel injection pumps are often overlooked, but they play a critical role in keeping diesel engines running efficiently. The 729,974 to 51,370 fuel injection pump is designed for Komatsu 4D98 engines and Yanmar 4TNV98/4TNV98T engines, offering reliability and precision in a package built for heavy-duty use. For anyone operating diesel machinery, having a dependable pump can mean the difference between smooth performance and costly downtime. This pump is engineered to supply the right amount of fuel at the precise timing and pressure required by diesel engines. Any deviation can lead to reduced power, poor fuel efficiency, and increased wear on the engine components. The 729,974 to 51,370 addresses these challenges through robust design and tight manufacturing tolerances, ensuring consistent performance in a variety of conditions. Opening the package, the first impression is of durability. The materials used are solid and built to withstand long hours of operation under high pressure. Each component moves smoothly, indicating high-quality construction. Heavy-duty equipment requires parts that can handle stress and heat, and this pump is designed to meet those demands. The installation process is straightforward for those familiar with diesel engines. It is compatible with Komatsu 4D98 and Yanmar 4TNV98/4TNV98T engines, reducing the need for adjustments or modifications. Experienced mechanics can install this pump with ease, while those less experienced should consult a professional. Fitment is precise, which is critical to ensure proper engine performance and avoid leaks or malfunctions. Consistent fuel delivery is one of the most important aspects of any diesel pump. This model provides steady pressure and accurate fuel volume, which translates to smoother engine operation and reliable starts. Engines equipped with this pump handle extreme conditions well, whether it's cold weather, high altitudes, or heavy workloads. The result is consistent power output and reduced engine strain. Efficiency is another key feature. The pump is designed to optimize fuel atomization, creating finer droplets for more complete combustion. This improves fuel efficiency, reduces emissions, and enhances engine performance. For operators managing fuel costs, this pump can lead to noticeable savings over time, while also contributing to environmentally responsible operation. Durability and longevity are major selling points. Diesel pumps often fail due to contamination, wear, or extreme conditions, but the 729,974 to 51,370 is built to resist these issues. High-quality seals, hardened surfaces, and precision-engineered components minimize common failure points, ensuring that the pump maintains performance over thousands of hours of operation. This reliability reduces the risk of unexpected downtime and costly repairs. Routine maintenance is simple. Regular inspections, proper fuel filtration, and following manufacturer guidelines keep the pump in top condition. Unlike some aftermarket pumps, this model does not require frequent adjustments, saving both time and effort. Reliability and low maintenance make it a practical choice for operators who need dependable performance without constant attention. This pump also offers a strong value proposition. While high-quality fuel injection pumps can be an investment, the 729,974 to 51,370 balances cost and performance. Reduced downtime, better fuel efficiency, and long-term engine protection make it an economical choice for professionals and operators. In heavy machinery applications, where downtime can be expensive, a reliable pump is not just convenient, it's essential. From a technical standpoint, the pump ensures accurate fuel regulation under varying engine loads. It maintains stable combustion and reduces vibration and noise, improving overall engine operation. Precision fuel delivery enhances engine responsiveness and reduces wear on critical components, extending the life of the engine. In practical applications, engines like the Komatsu 4D98 and Yanmar 4TNV98/4TNV98T are commonly found in compact excavators, bulldozers, agricultural equipment, and marine engines. Pairing these engines with a reliable fuel injection pump ensures consistent performance, smoother operation, and protection for your machinery. Whether it's heavy construction work, farming tasks, or marine operations, this pump delivers dependable results. Compatibility is an important consideration. A pump may work perfectly on one engine but fail on another. The 729,974 to 51,370 is engineered to be compatible with multiple engine types, simplifying inventory management for fleet operators and ensuring fewer issues during replacements. Operators benefit from a solution that fits multiple machines without compromising performance. Long-term engine reliability depends on consistent fuel delivery. Irregular fuel supply can lead to carbon buildup, reduced efficiency, and component damage. This